Okay, here is a 1 minute 11-second video showing how to do half square triangles 4 at a time. So we're going to place the fabric squares right sides together, and then we're not going to mark a single thing. We're just going to sew a square a 1/4 inch from the edge all the way around. And then after that, we're going to make a cut diagonally. And a second cut diagonally. And voila, you have 4 half square triangles. And again, I'm using a 10-inch square here for demonstration purposes, but you would use whatever size your pattern requires. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.